Sit later. Okay, puppies.
Okay. Oh, they're a baby. Oh, they don't put it on the side. There you go.
Mom!
What happened?
You messed it off.
No.
Mom.
I didn't do anything.
Look.
Oh, sorry.
And look this.
I didn't do anything.
Here go, Jelana. You can walk the dog now.
Oh,
Only one dog. Jelana, here you go. Only one dog.
No, you have more.
I know, but you can only walk one because you only have one leash.
What the? I don't other one. Let's have two.
I don't know where you put it. Where did you put it?
The toy one. The other toy. Toy.
they're
Oh, look at
hanging
the
out
dog.
with their bestie.
She's hanging.
They're hanging out with their bestie.
No, Jelana.
Where's the doggy?
Jelana, she's hanging right there on the pillow.
Oh, that doggy is grumpy. That doggy is grumpy. Yeah.
What here?
Oh,
Oh.
that doggy is she nice? Oh, can I borrow your doggy?
Yes.
Okay.
Go walk your
So,
doggy.
now, yeah, sit here. So you wanna join the bestie?
Okay.
Bestie. Uh-oh.
Grandma naman.
No, I already paid mine.
Bestie, there you go.
Wait for Daddy.
Oh, la-
Wait right there daw.
Okay, there you go, bestie. Bestie, they're doing bestie.
Oh, this one. I tried this on the toys.
Half day kaya tayo bukas.
Bakit? Ano meron?
Ano mo?
Ay, papasok na lang ako. Ayan.
Where we putting your sticker?
Ay, trabaho pa rin. Hi, bestie.
In the toilet?
Ay, si Lane naka-live kay Jelana.
I need this one.
Okay.
Yan, yan.
In the right. I need this.
Oh! Are you cold?
Cold ka ba?
Are you cold?
Bukas ka na maligo ha.
I'm not sure.
You wanna take off your top, then your coat?
Give me your coat. I put it back.
Oh yeah, I didn't take it off.
You forgot?
I checked it.
Thank you, Jean. Hello, Shalane.
At the door.
Oh, where's the doggy? Doggy needs you. Thank you, Shalane. Look.
You wanna let her Jackie is here. Call me.
No, because I'm on a screen recording.
Okay. Andito yun ang ating buhok niya.
I just need to comb it.
Hello, Aisa.
It's my fireplace. Come here.
Naka-screen recording siya. Ni Julina na. I got you on video. Balik na naman siya doon. Ping-pang pum-pam ang gusto niya.
Pili ito. You think of anything else?
Ping-pang pum-pam ang gusto niya.
Gift card na na. Sit down. Gift card only.
I want this card.